When you think of unstoppable power, rugged durability, and unmatched off-road dominance, only one name comes to mind: the Toyota Land Cruiser. And guess what? The 2025 model is here, bringing a revolutionary upgrade while staying true to its legendary roots. Built for adventure, designed for luxury. The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 is not just a car, it's an icon redefined. With a bold new design, enhanced performance, cutting-edge tech, and next-level comfort, this beast is ready to take on any terrain. From deserts to mountains, from highways to rocky trails, the Land Cruiser remains king. But is the 2025 model truly worth the hype? Does it live up to its legacy? And more importantly, is it the best off-road SUV money can buy in 2025? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down everything, from its rugged exterior to its luxurious interior, advanced tech, powerful engine, safety features, price, and comparisons. By the end, you'll know if this is the perfect SUV for you. Buckle up, because this is going to be an epic ride. Let's dive into the world of the Toyota Land Cruiser 2025. One look at the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 2025, and you know it's built to dominate. A timeless yet modern design. Toyota has revived the classic Land Cruiser DNA while adding a modern, aggressive touch. The boxy silhouette pays tribute to its legendary predecessors, but the sharp LED lighting, muscular fenders, and signature front grille screen futuristic dominance. A bold front grille and signature lighting. The massive front grille gives it a commanding presence, while the sleek LED headlights and DRLs add a high-tech feel. Whether you're in the city or the wilderness, this SUV makes sure you're noticed. Rugged wheels and off-road stance. Toyota isn't holding back when it comes to off-road supremacy. With massive all-terrain tires, enhanced ground clearance, and a wider stance, the Land Cruiser 2025 is ready to tackle the roughest terrains with ease. Strong and aerodynamic body, the high-strength steel frame, sculpted hood, and robust side panels ensure durability while maintaining a surprisingly aerodynamic profile, a rare balance for an off-road SUV. Built for adventure. Whether it's a rocky trail, a muddy path, or a smooth highway, the 2025 Land Cruiser's redesigned exterior isn't just about looks, it's engineered for performance. But is this new design truly an upgrade, or is Toyota playing it safe? Let's find out as we explore the interior, comfort, and cutting-edge features next. Stay tuned. Step inside the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 2025, and you're greeted by a world where rugged durability meets first-class luxury. This isn't just an off-road beast, it's a mobile VIP lounge on wheels. A premium yet functional cabin. Toyota has elevated the Land Cruiser's interior, combining luxury, technology, and practicality in a way that caters to both adventurers and city dwellers. The soft touch materials, high-quality leather, and brushed aluminum accents make the cabin feel upscale, while the rugged dashboard layout reminds you that this SUV is built for extreme conditions. Comfort for every journey. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or cruising down the highway, the Land Cruiser's ergonomically designed seats with premium cushioning ensure maximum comfort. Ventilated and heated front seats, extra lumbar support, and spacious legroom make long trips effortless. And for rear passengers, reclining second-row seats and available captain's chairs offer a first-class experience. Cutting-edge digital cockpit. The 2025 Land Cruiser features a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, a fully digital driver's display, and a heads-up display that keeps all essential driving information right in front of you. Plus, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your entertainment is just a tap away. Immersive audio experience. Long road trips just got better with the premium JBL surround sound system. Whether you're blasting your favorite playlist or enjoying a podcast on a quiet night drive, the acoustic engineering ensures crystal clear sound throughout the cabin. Adventure-ready storage and utility. Toyota understands that Land Cruiser owners love practicality. That's why the 2025 model offers multiple storage compartments, foldable rear seats for extra cargo space, and a hands-free power tailgate, making it easier than ever to pack for your next adventure. So, does the 2025 Land Cruiser's interior redefine comfort for an off-road SUV? Or is it still missing something? Let's dive into the technology and infotainment features next. Stay tuned. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just a rugged off-roader, it's also a high-tech powerhouse. Packed with state-of-the-art technology and an ultra-modern infotainment system, this SUV ensures you stay connected, entertained, and in control no matter where the road takes you. Massive 12.3-inch touchscreen display. At the heart of the dashboard sits a stunning 12.3-inch high-resolution touchscreen, giving you crisp graphics, ultra-smooth responsiveness, and intuitive controls. Whether you're navigating tough terrains or cruising through the city, this screen puts everything at your fingertips. Z Wireless Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto. Forget tangled wires. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration lets you seamlessly connect your smartphone, access your favorite apps, stream music, and use voice commands all with zero distractions from the adventure ahead. Of JBL Premium Surround Sound System. A legendary SUV deserves a legendary sound system. The JBL Premium audio system with multiple speakers delivers deep bass, crisp highs, and a surround sound experience that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. Whether you're listening to classic rock or a podcast, the audio clarity is unmatched. The next-gen navigation and off-road maps. Lost? Not in the Land Cruiser. The advanced GPS navigation system comes with real-time traffic updates and off-road maps, ensuring you never miss a turn whether on city streets or rocky mountain trails. Connected car features and remote access. Using Toyota's connected services, you can remotely start the engine, lock, unlock doors, check fuel levels, and even locate your SUV, all from your smartphone. It's like having the Land Cruiser in your pocket. Fully digital instrument cluster and heads-up display. Replacing traditional dials, the fully digital driver's display gives real-time data on speed, fuel efficiency, and terrain conditions. And with the heads-up display, HUD, crucial info is projected directly onto the windshield so you never take your eyes off the road. So, is the 2025 Land Cruiser's tech package as advanced as its legendary performance? Or does it still leave room for improvement? Next up, let's talk about what really matters: performance and driving experience. Stay tuned. It's time to talk about what truly makes the Land Cruiser a legend: its raw power and off-road dominance. Toyota has re-engineered the 2025 model to deliver unmatched performance, unbeatable durability, and an ultra-smooth driving experience. But is it still the king of the off-road? Let's find out. 2. Engine and powertrain: more efficient, more powerful. Under the hood, the Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 comes with a 3.4L twin-turbo 5.6 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain produces an impressive 409 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring that whether you're towing, climbing, or cruising, you've got the muscle to handle it all. Echo, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds. Towing capacity, up to 8,000 pounds. Maya, fuel efficiency, more power, yet better MPG than the V8. 2. Driving experience, smooth yet powerful. The adaptive suspension system absorbs bumps and shocks, ensuring a plush and smooth ride even on rough terrains. Toyota has also introduced a new electric power steering system, making city driving effortless while keeping the classic off-road toughness intact. Off-road capabilities, built for extreme adventure. The Land Cruiser has always been the go-to SUV for off-road warriors, and Toyota just made it even better. A full-time 4WD with crawl control. The intelligent four-wheel drive system constantly adjusts power to each wheel, providing maximum traction on sand, snow, and mud. Pair that with crawl control, and the SUV automatically handles throttle and braking, so you can focus on steering through rough landscapes. A ground clearance and approach angles, best in class. 9.0 inches of ground clearance. Approach angle, 31 degrees, perfect for steep climbs. Rojan. Departure angle, 22 degrees, easily clears obstacles behind. A multi-terrain select, off-road like a pro. With 6 drive modes, mud, rock, sand, snow, normal, sport, the Land Cruiser adapts to any environment with just a twist of a dial. The 360-degree off-road camera, see every angle. Tight trails? No problem. The off-road camera system gives a complete 360-degree view, helping you navigate rough terrain with 0 blind spots. On-road handling, a new level of refinement. Unlike older models that were rugged but stiff, the 2025 Land Cruiser offers a luxury-like ride with adaptive dampers that adjust to road conditions. Whether you're on the highway or a rocky trail, this SUV delivers maximum comfort without compromising power. A final verdict on performance? Toyota has managed to retain the legendary off-road capabilities while making the Land Cruiser more refined, more comfortable, and more powerful than ever before. It's truly the best of both worlds. And next up, let's talk about safety and advanced features. Or stay tuned. An SUV this powerful needs next-level safety features to match. The Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 is packed with the latest Toyota Safety Sense, TSS 3.0, and some seriously advanced tech that makes every drive safer and smarter. So, what exactly are you getting? Let's find out. Today, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Smarter, safer, and more reliable. Toyota has upgraded its safety suite, giving the Land Cruiser better sensors, quicker response times, and more intelligent driver assistance systems. Here's what's included. A pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, Halineklar Now. Detects objects and automatically applies brakes to prevent accidents. Wa. Adaptive cruise control with lane tracing assist below. Keeps a safe distance from the car ahead and even centers itself in the lane. O blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, Tay. Alerts you to hidden vehicles when changing lanes or reversing. Road sign assist and driver attention monitoring. Reads road signs and warns if the driver shows signs of fatigue. Advanced 360 do 4. Camera with off-road view. No more blind spots. See every angle, whether parking or off-roading. Tougher, stronger, and more secure. Toyota has made the Land Cruiser's body structure even tougher, enhancing reinforced frame and crash protection. Built to withstand extreme forces, keeping passengers safe in case of impact. Under 10 airbags for ultimate protection. Surrounds the cabin with airbags to ensure maximum safety for all passengers. Smart emergency braking and parking sensors. Avoids collisions automatically while maneuvering in tight spaces. A final verdict on safety? With TSS 3.0, a stronger frame, and AI-powered safety features, the Land Cruiser 2025 is not just powerful, it's incredibly safe too. Next up, let's talk about price and competitor comparison. Stay tuned. Power, luxury, and off-road dominance all come at a price. But does the Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 justify its cost? And how does it compare to its biggest rivals? Let's break it down. Kude. Land Cruiser 2025 price breakdown. The starting price for the Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 is $57,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded edition crosses $90,000 Gyre 1. But with this price tag you get of extreme off-road capabilities. Boom. High-end luxury and technology cars. Toyota's legendary durability and resale value. Competitor comparison. Who wins? Jeep Grand Wagoneer starts at $89,000, more luxury but less off-road toughness. Land Rover Defender starts at $56,000, great off-road but expensive maintenance. A Lexus LX 600 starts at $92,000, more premium, but Land Cruiser is the off-road king. So, while competitors offer luxury and style, the Land Cruiser dominates in off-road reliability and long-term value. A final verdict on pricing? The Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 isn't just a carrot, a lifetime investment for adventure lovers. End of. Next up, our final verdict and buying guide. Is this the SUV for you? Stay tuned. So, after diving deep into the Toyota Land Cruiser 2025, the question remains, should you buy it? Let's wrap things up. Who should buy the Land Cruiser 2025? Of adventure seekers, if you crave off-road power, this SUV is unmatched. Gar. Reliability lovers. Toyota's legendary durability ensures a long-term investment to luxury and tech enthusiasts. Premium features meet rugged toughness co. But if you want a pure luxury SUV for city driving, options like Lexus LX 600 or Range Rover might suit you better. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. For around $57,000, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a legacy. The Land Cruiser 2025 is built to last, perform, and conquer. What's next? So, what do you think? Is the Land Cruiser 2025 your next adventure machine? Let us know in the comments. Like this review? Hit the like button. Subscribe for more exclusive car breakdowns. Share this with your off-roading squad. Next up, another legendary car review. Stay tuned. 1.